Hey, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the FEATH-R-LITE Inflatable 10-foot ultralight stand-up paddleboard. For all skill levels, everything's included. You've got the board, the paddle, a pump, an ISUP travel backpack, leash, and waterproof bag. Nice. It's got almost 800 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's also available with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. And although seen here in blue, you can get it in white, black, and pink. So check the listing for that. This stand-up paddleboard has ultralight construction with dual-layer PVC. It's 10 foot long, 30 inches wide, and 6 inches thick, and weighs 16.7 pounds. Maximum capacity for weight is up to 220 pounds, and it's stable for all skill levels and conditions. It's reinforced with an additional layer of PVC on the board rails for extra durability. It has 3 removable fins for extra balance and tracking ability. The included aluminum paddle is adjustable for your convenience, and as mentioned before, it has a high-pressure pump, travel backpack, coil leash, foam bag, and the 3 removable fins. And it has a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. So, after several uses, the boards are still awesome. My husband and I have taken our dogs out on the boards as well with no issues. The boards have still held up well. Initially, I was worried about the dog's nails on the board as it is inflatable, but it seems to be a non-issue. Also, the paddles float, which is really important when you fall off your board. LOL. Well, there you go, Aquamen and women. Check out this FEATH-R-LITE Inflatable Ultralight SUP. Again, it's available with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. I think you're gonna love it. Order today.